Good morning. Thanks for your company this Tuesday, the 27th of October. I'm Jessica Amir, market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, there's just 7 days till the US election, 4 days until the Queensland election, and tonight Victorian hospitality and retail restrictions ease. Excitement for some, disappointment and uncertainty for many. Overnight on markets, the undertone was mostly negative though, with coronavirus cases spiking in the US, China and Europe. Also weighing was Germany's SAP abandoning its medium-term profit forecast, saying its business would take longer than expected to recover from the coronavirus pandemic. Now, in Europe, SAP's stock fell about 22%. Now, this sour sentiment flowed to the US and indeed to tech stocks. Add in that fiscal stimulus unease crept back in after White House economic advisor Larry Kudlow said that talks had slowed, and it's easy to see why traders have trimmed profits off the table. The Dow Jones lost 2.3%, marking its worst fall in about 8 weeks. The S&P 500 lost 1.9% and the Nasdaq fell 1.6%. Not all doom and gloom though. We did see Zoom shares rise 1.2%. Heart pump company Med rose 2.4%, and utilities also did well, with American Electric up 1.9%. Commodities were weaker though. The oil price lost 3%, with the WTI price getting as low as $38.55 US, with Libyan output rising. The safe haven gold has steadied at about $1,904 US an ounce, as investors are instead topping up their safe haven bond exposure instead. As for local trade, the futures are pricing in a fall this morning of 0.9% at the open. There's lots of company announcements and results out today, including fresh company news out for Boral, which has just announced that they've agreed to sell their 50% stake in USG Boral, which is its Australian business. It's Australian and Asian building supply business for $1.43 billion. And Northern Star NST has announced first quarter gold sales are at the top end of their guidance. Results also out today for Evolution Mining. Their quarterly results have just been announced, and Pointsbet Holdings is due to hand down their results later today. AGMs, well, AGM season continues. Bendigo and Adelaide Bank, Scali, Bega Cheese, Boral, Link Market Services hold theirs today. No economic news as such, but look out for RBA Deputy Governor Guy Debelle and Assistant Governor of Financial Systems Michelle Bullock. They'll be speaking before the Senate of Economics Legislative Committee today. As for trading ideas that could be worth a look, there's plenty of upgrades and downgrades. Bell Potter upgraded Technology One T&E, their buy rating, increasing their target to $10, implying 14.4% upside in a year. Bell Potter also downgraded at the same time Stanmore Coal SMR as a sell, dropping its target to 50 cents. That implies a 31% fall in a year for Stanmore Coal. Meantime, UBS reiterated Flexi Group, the buy now pay later company, as a buy with a $1.45 target, saying that although Flexi Group is not the leader, the strategic shift towards buy now, pay later, as well as the use of its hum business in a high growth market, coupled with budgetary support, all means that Flexi Group is a value play. That's according to UBS. And UBS also reiterated Westpac as a buy with a $20.50 target. Bell Potter targets Westpac as a hold though with a $20 target, just shy of UBS's target. And lastly, keep an eye on 3 stocks: Parenti Global PRN, Arena REIT ARF, and IDP Education IEL, all showing bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Thanks for your company. Happy trading.